been held in your hands from the moment that I wake up until I lay my head. I will sing of the goodness of God.
Shawan, yes.
All my life you have been faithful.
We are just trying to fix an electrical pipe. As you know that when it comes to electrical installation, the first thing, like the very first thing that we need to do is pipe. So after that, then we'll have to cabling.
I will sing of the goodness of God. I love your voice. You have led me through the fire.
As you can see, this is actually this is a one section.
I've known you as a father.
It's about 10 flats.
I've known you as a friend.
5 of them. 5 times. Let me just
in the goodness of God.
Let me just try.
In all my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. Oh yes, and your goodness is running after, it's running after me. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. With my life laid down, surrender now. I give you everything. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me.
That switch works for the best switch. Then the normal switch. So trust us for any electrical installation. I'll promise to give you nothing but the best electrical installation. So these are stepping that move on.
With every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. I will sing of the goodness of God.
Okay. Here comes the beauty of electrical installation. See how the pipe was fixed. This is actually security lamps, as you can see it. Just to decorate and design this is the edifice. The edifice of the building. I believe you can see it. Lampuda right there. So here comes another one. So right here. So these are security lamps. As you can see it right here. So this is a staircase wall. Staircase wall. You can see it right here. Oh, look at this. The cross flats right there. Still under construction though.